Hello, health-conscious foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to take a culinary tour through the world of low and zero-carb foods. Come along as we discover the delicious foods that complement low-carb lifestyles and the health advantages they offer. Before we get started, let's quickly review what low and zero-carb diets entail. These diets emphasize reducing the amount of carbohydrates consumed, frequently favoring fats and proteins as the primary energy sources. Now, let's explore the top foods that contribute to this delicious and nutrient-dense lifestyle. Stay tuned as we break down the carbohydrate content in grams for each of these nutritional powerhouses. So let's get started. Spinach. 1 cup of fresh spinach has about 1 gram of carbohydrates. It's a nutritious powerhouse that is high in vitamins and minerals and low in carbohydrates. Spinach is a leafy green that is not only low in carbs but also rich in iron and vitamins A and K. Kale. 1 cup, raw, has about 6 grams of carbs. Kale's strong flavor gives your meals a nutritional boost without adding a lot of carbs. Broccoli. 1 cup chopped broccoli is approximately 6 grams of carbohydrates. Broccoli is a very adaptable vegetable that provides fiber and important nutrients, so it is an excellent addition to low-carb diets. Cauliflower. 1 cup chopped cauliflower has about 5 grams of carbohydrates. Cauliflower is a versatile low-carb vegetable that can be used as a substitute for rice, mashed potatoes, or even pizza crust. It's rich in vitamins C and K and provides a great texture to many dishes. Cauliflower is a low-carb chameleon that can be used in a variety of carb-friendly recipes. Chicken. Low-carb diets often include chicken breast because it is a lean protein source, 3.5 ounces. Cooked contains 0 grams of carbohydrates. Egg. 1 big boiled egg has about 1 gram of carbohydrates. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food that provide you important proteins and healthy fats at a low carb count. Meat. Cooked beef 3.5 ounces contains 0 grams of carbohydrates. Unprocessed beef is a delicious, carb-free food that provides protein and important minerals. Avocado. 1 medium, has approximately 12 grams and net carbs. Approximately 2 grams after deducting fiber. Avocado is a fruit that is creamy and rich in nutrients. It contains some carbohydrates, mostly in the form of fiber. Olive oil. 1 tablespoon of olive oil has no carbohydrates and adds healthful fats to meals. Olive oil is a culinary staple. Cheddar cheese, 1 ounce, is about 1 gram of carbohydrates. Cheddar cheese is a delicious dairy product that adds taste and richness to a variety of recipes. Mozzarella cheese. 0.1 ounces of mozzarella cheese is about 1 gram of carbs. Mozzarella cheese is a dairy substitute that is rich in flavor and low in carbohydrates. It can improve your low-carb dishes. Greek yogurt. A dairy product high in protein, provides creaminess and contains some carbohydrates, mostly lactose. 1 cup, plain, unsweetened contains approximately 9 grams of carbohydrates and net carbs is 6 grams after eliminating fiber. Tofu. 1 to 2 grams net carbs per 100 grams. Varies slightly depending on the type of tofu. Tofu, also called bean curd, is a low-carb protein source that can be used in a variety of recipes, including stir-fries and smoothies. It is made from soybeans and is a great option for vegetarians and vegans. Mushrooms. About 2 grams of net carbs per cup, sliced, raw. A low-calorie, low-carb vegetable, mushrooms can be sautéed, grilled, or used to soups and omelets to provide depth of flavor to a variety of foods. Bell peppers. About 6 grams of net carbs per cup, sliced, packed with color and flavor. Bell peppers are low in carbohydrates and high in vitamins C and A. They can be eaten raw in salads, sliced as a crunchy snack, or cooked in a variety of recipes such as fajitas and stir-fries. Zucchini. About 3 grams of net carbs per cup, sliced. Rich in vitamins A and C, zucchini is a low-carb vegetable that can be spiralized into zoodles to replace pasta or sliced for grilling and sautéing. Quinoa. Carbs. About 21 grams of net carbs per cup, cooked. Although quinoa has more carbohydrates than some other low-carb foods, it is still a complete protein and an excellent source of important amino acids, so it may be included in a low-carb diet in moderation. Chia seeds. Carbs. Approximately 12 grams of net carbs per ounce. Chia seeds are high in fiber and healthy fats. When mixed with liquid, they absorb the liquid and form a gel-like consistency, making them suitable for puddings, smoothies, or as a topping. Flaxseed. Carbs. About 0 grams of net carbs per tablespoon. Ground flaxseed is high in fiber and low in carbohydrates. It can be added to meals for extra fiber or used in some recipes as a low-carb flour substitute. As we conclude our journey through these low and zero-carb wonders, remember that variety is the spice of life. Incorporate these foods into your meals to enjoy a diverse and nutrient-rich diet. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Until next time, embrace the delicious world of low-carb living and stay healthy.